Hi guys, welcome to another episode of my video. So today we are going to talk about the right way and the perfect way to post your shorts. If you are seeing this video for the first time, my name is Amaka. Give this video a thumbs up, comment and share, and also subscribe so that you become part of my amazing family, and turn on your notification so that you'll be notified each time I post videos like this. So today I'll be sharing with you how to post your shorts step by step on how to post your shorts the right way. If you're not posting your shorts this way that I'm going to tell you, then you are doing it all wrong. You are getting it all wrong. But let me tell you guys something that you don't know. You don't know that those your watch hours gotten from your short video, they are invalid. They are not counted during your monetization process. Yes, maybe you have a viral short video, for instance, your shorts is getting 10,000 views and thousands of likes and hundreds of watch hours. You'll be amazed. Yes, but those your watch hours from that your short video, they are invalid. They don't count. They are not counted during your monetization process. But today I'm going to share with you guys how to post your shorts the right way. So if you're not posting your shorts this way that I'm about to tell you, then you're making a whole lot of mistakes. See, I wouldn't want when you post your shorts and be getting thousands of views and likes and watch hours and they will be invalid. Yes, it's just only your views that will be counted, and those your watch hours from your shorts won't be counted. I wouldn't want that for you. So when your shorts are getting those views, yes, they will be getting those watch hours. So make sure you do this in the right way and follow me step by step, because I'm going to go through a screen record on how to do this thing. Yes, on how to put this so that it will be working. Don't skip video at all. So this trick I'm about to share with you now is working 100%. Yes, it's really working. If you are not doing this, then you are going behind. This trick is really working. You have to post your short. Short has 100% chance of going viral. You can just post your shorts, study your shorts, and boom, you'll be getting views day by you getting thousands of views every day, hundreds of views every day. Yeah, so when you do this thing about to show you, when you do this thing I'm about to show you under your shorts, when you attach this thing I'm about to show you in your shorts, then people will be clicking to it and you'll be getting your watch hours 100%. You'll be getting that your full watch hours, and your watch hours will be counted during your monetization process. Or do you not want these things to happen to you? I know you want it, so stay with me guys and I will show you how to post your shorts the right way. Don't skip this video, watch till the end. So we are going to go over to our YouTube app here. You click on YouTube app. This video will be as quick as possible. So you click on this plus sign here. When you click on this plus sign, you go over to shorts and click on shorts. Then you have to select a particular video that you want. So assuming you want to take this particular video here, to click on here. Hi guys, welcome to another episode of my video. So today I'll be taking you on your. So this is your shorts. You click on next. I wouldn't want this to disturb the volume, to disturb you guys, but here you can put a text that will attract people to click on your short video. Here, assuming this video is how to get 4,000 watch hours on YouTube, then you just have to type a catchy title. You can adjust your video. You can set to adjust it. You make it bold. Then you can drag your title to this place. Anyone can see it fast. So after you must have finished doing this, this is your you add your title. When you add your title, you can set to how to make your title little short and catchy. Click below to watch full video. This is going to come out. This will be showing. Then you have click here is the real deal. So here you have to add your you have to add your hashtags. You'll be using this hashtag SEO, hashtag content growth, hashtag YouTube tips. You can decide to add your own hashtag. Then here is the most important one you are going to do. This is the most important thing, the real deal for people to click on your video and go watch your long form video. You have to put a related video. Remember that your long form video, you transform it to short. So when people click on this related video, they can be able to watch your long form short and you'll be getting watch hour. Yes, so you'll be getting watch hour. You add the long form video of that your short. So assuming this is the long form video of the short we made, so this is what we are going to add as the long form video of our shorts. You then click on upload short. Once you click on upload short, it's going to show you your short and how the short will be. Like me, I like putting my visibility into unlisted. Then once it's done uploading, I will now turn it on to public. So let's go and upload to your YouTube channel. Then you go over to your shorts. You go over to your shorts to see this is the short I just uploaded now. Hi guys, welcome to another episode of my video. So this is the short. How this is how it looks like. Here I'm directing them to click on this 8 weeks into YouTube so that they can watch the full video of it. So that is how you post your short for you to be getting watch hour. They will click from your full video, then watch the video to the end, and you'll be getting the watch hours that you desired. At this point, if you haven't subscribed to this channel and if you haven't given this video a like, do well to subscribe and like this video. Thank you for watching my video. See you on my next video, guys. Bye.